Hello YouTube, Rob TheTechWhiz here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade to Windows 8 Pro from Windows 7. So let's just get started by going to your internet browser and going to windows.com. And then from here, under Download and Shop, right down here, right where it says Get Your Hands on Windows 8, just select Buy Windows 8. And right now they are running a deal where you can download the upgrade for Windows Pro for $40. I think it's only a limited time. Yes, until January 31st, 2013. So I definitely recommend upgrading before then. You'll be able to do it for a little cheaper. So let's just go ahead and select Download Pro for $39.99. And it's going to download a setup file that once you run, it's going to check your system for compatible apps and files that it can keep for the transfer. It's definitely a good idea to back everything up before you do this. I've backed up what I wanted to back up, but when I upgrade, I'm going to start fresh. I'm not going to keep any apps or files or anything like that, aside from what I already backed up, that I'll pick and choose what I put on. But that's something I'll show you once this is done, checking for the apps and devices. It will give you a list of compatible installed applications and files that can be saved during the transfer to Windows 8. So I'll give it a sec here. Okay, so after a few minutes, the screen will pop up telling you what they found, and it will show you how many of your apps are compatible with Windows 8 and that you can move over. I have 44 and 8 that I need to review. So, but like I said, I want to do a fresh upgrade anyway, so I won't be moving anything over, but I'll show you in case some of you want to. If you click where it says See Compatibility Details, it will show you which ones are compatible listed down here, and the ones where there are problems up here. So let's close out of that. And to get to the screen, depending on how much stuff you have on your computer for it to search through, it'll take a few minutes. I had a lot of stuff accumulated over the years, which is why I want to just do a fresh upgrade anyway. So from here, let's just click Next. And then here's where you choose what you want to keep. If you just want to keep your personal files, that's just going to keep pretty much most likely your documents and pictures and videos and music, stuff in your basic libraries folder, or you can choose this and it will keep anything and everything that it can. But like I said, I'm going to keep nothing, so you choose which one you like and click Next. And then from here, you're going to actually have to go through the ordering process of the $40. So click on that. And I'm just going to do the download. I don't need the Windows DVD. That's up to you whether or not you want that. So check it or don't check it, and then click Checkout. And it should redirect you back to the Windows website momentarily. Oh, nope, just right in here. So go ahead and fill in your information. Okay, so once you've filled in your basic billing information, go ahead and click Next again. Choose a payment method. I suppose I'll use PayPal. It's probably easier. So if you choose PayPal, you're going to click Next, or if you choose your credit card, it's going to want you to enter in your credit card information. But I'll do PayPal so I don't have to get out my credit card to look at the numbers. Okay, I don't have a promo code, so here's where it's going to show you a summary of your billing address, your payment information, and give you a total. So it's $39.99 plus the tax, of course. So agree to the terms and conditions and choose buy. Then for me, it redirected me to PayPal. If you chose the credit card option, you will likely skip this step. Okay. Then once it settled your payment information, it's going to give you a product key. I would highly suggest writing it down, and then we will continue. And then now it will actually start downloading Windows 8. So I will pick back up with you once the download is complete. Okay, so once Windows 8 has finished downloading, you'll see this prompt, and depending on your internet download speed, it will take some time. After mine finished downloading, I selected the install later from desktop and did other things, and then came back to it, so that's something that you could do also. If you want to do this install by creating media, you can burn it onto a DVD or a flash drive if you first download the Windows USB tool to be able to put it on your flash drive. But I'm just going to do the install now option. So let's select next. We'll wait for the setup. Okay, so after initial setup and it checks for updates, you'll be prompted to accept the license terms. So go ahead and read through that and select accept. And then it will check a few more things. Okay, then after a while you'll be prompted with this. It will just be a recap that you want to install Windows 8 and whatever you chose here, whether to keep nothing like I did, or whether to keep your personal files or everything it could. If you change your mind, you can change it here, but I'm going to stick with nothing. And then I will install. Okay, I had to switch to a camera because obviously after the install of the new operating system, I don't have my screen capture software anymore. But this is the first screen you'll be greeted with after the install, and like you probably saw right before this clip started, your computer will restart multiple times during the installation process, and it does take some time, so just sit through it and be patient. And eventually you'll get to this personalization screen where you can choose a color for your modern UI. Whoa. I like this one. And you'll need to name your PC. Call this Win 8 laptop. And next. Then you'll choose your Wi-Fi. Not necessarily Wi-Fi, I should say internet connection. Put in your network password. And now to your settings. There's a preloaded Express settings that I would just use. You can customize and pick and choose your own, but I would just recommend the Express settings, so that's what I'll choose. And now you can sign in with a Microsoft account if you have one. If not, you can skip it and do it later. And after it sets up your account and finishes setting up the settings, you'll be greeted with this, which I assume is going to walk you through the new additions in Windows 8. Going over some of the features, I will most likely put another video up of kind of a guide to Windows 7 or Windows 8, sorry, because it is quite different from all the other operating systems, especially with the new user interface called the Modern UI, which you will see hopefully in a second. Okay, so after some more setup and installation, you are finally greeted with the new modern, sleek looking UI. As you'll see, it's tile based. There's tiles for things like the Microsoft Maps. Thank you. The Microsoft Maps, a shortcut to the store. You can look at your people, your photos. Here you can play games, go into your camera or video music settings, and also access the SkyDrive, which is the cloud-based storage for Microsoft. So like I said, I will have a more in-depth video of Windows 8 up soon. And quickly, if you don't like the modern UI, you can switch to a desktop view, which is a little bit more like what you're used to in Windows computers, or if you want to switch back, you can hit the Windows key on your keyboard. So I'll end the video here, and I would appreciate it if you would leave a rating and subscribe up above for more computer and technology reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.